Hi friends, so today is Wednesday, May 13th, and we are going to continue practicing elapsed time. So remember, elapsed time is the amount of time that has passed from the beginning to the end of the activity. So let's look at number 1. We're going to be going through numbers 1, 2, and 3 together, and then your job today will be to do number 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those will be the problems that you will submit on your own to EdSpeak. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, it says use the number line to find the elapsed time. So we're starting at 1:15 and we're stopping at 1:40. So that's my stopping time. Now, I can either count by 5s or 10s. I think for me personally, it would be easier to count by 5. So I'm going to count by 5. So I have 1:15, that's where it starts. 1:20, 1:25, 1:30. Oh, I could make that a little bit bigger. So 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then I have my end time as 40. So I'm just going to count my hops. Now remember, I'm counting by 5s each time I hop because that was the number we picked for the number line. So I've got 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So if I add that up, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes have passed. So the elapsed time is 25 minutes. Now, you can also do 40 minus 15 to get your answer. Now remember, we can't take away from 0, so we'd borrow from next door. So my 4 becomes a 3, my 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2. See, I still got the same answer. All right, let's go ahead. Let's move on to the next one. So the start time was 11:35. The end time is 11:54. So I'm going to do my start time, 11:35. My end time, 11:54. So I'm going to count by 5s again. 35, 11:40, 11:45, 11:50. Okay, so pay close attention here. We're counting by 5s, so be careful. So here, 11:35 to 11:40, that's 5 minutes. 11:40 to 11:45, that's 5 minutes. 11:45 to 11:50, that's 5 minutes. But how much time from 11:50 to 11:54? How many minutes is that? Is that exactly 5? No, that's 4. So I'm going to add this up. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 4 is how many minutes? 19. So the elapsed time is 19 minutes. Be careful when it ends on a number like that. And remember, you can do 54, which is the time right here, minus 35, which is the time right here. So I can't do 4 minus 5, so I go next door. My 5 becomes a 4, my 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. You see I got the same thing? But it's very helpful when we use a number line. That's how I will always tell you to use a number line. Okay, so here, the start time is 4:20, the end time is 5 o'clock. So here I'm going to draw my number line. I'm going to start at 4:20, and I'm going to end at 5 o'clock. I'm going to count by 10. So I have 4:20, 4:30, 4:40, 4:50. Okay, and then if I do my hops, 5, 5. Oh, see, that's why I made a mistake. It's not 5. My hops are 10. So remember, each hop here, we picked 10, so each time I'm going to hop is going to be 10. I'm so used to my 5s. Okay, so let's do this again. 10 minutes past here, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So if I add that up, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. Okay? Now, you could have also, instead of doing the number line, since they gave you the clock, you could have just hopped around the clock, which I'll show you how to do that. So we start at 4:20, which is right here, and we're going to hop to 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So still, I got the same amount of time. I got 40 minutes. Okay, I think the number line, though, is a little easier for you to see, so I would practice using the number line. So today, these are going to be the ones that you will submit to Edsby. If you need help, please reach out to me and let me know, and we can do a Zoom. All right, my friends, have a great day.